Hello everyone, my name is Mallika Khanna and I'm going to shed light on the critical environmental issue of petroleum pollution in Sumgait, Azerbaijan. So, the objectives of this presentation are to analyze the key data about the hazard, illustrate the impact, and raise awareness regarding the issue by data interpretation, and to review and propose potential solutions. Before we begin our journey, let's take a quick look at our roadmap for today with introduction, map of the sources of pollution, environmental timeline, air pollution data, soil contamination data, health impacts data, comprehensive data summary, and references. So, Sumgait is a city in Azerbaijan and it faces a significant environmental challenge of petroleum pollution. It was a Soviet industrial center for more than 40 factories, and when these factories were operational, they dumped ton of emissions into the air annually, which led to the city making it onto the world's top most polluted places in 2007 in a list published by Blacksmith Institute. And today we'll be uncovering the layers of this issue. So, first of all, let's pinpoint the sources of pollution in Azerbaijan with a particular focus on Sumgait. So, we can see, according to this map, that Sumgait has three main sources, which are chemical, heavy industry, and petrochemical industries. To comprehend the depth of Sumgait's environmental struggle, let's walk through a timeline of key events beginning from the 1940s and 70s, where there was rapid industrialization, and in the 80s, there were several chemical accidents which led to releases of several hazardous substances. Following the dissolution of Soviet Union in the 90s, Sumgait faced environmental challenges including soil and water pollution. 2000 marked the beginning of efforts to address these environmental issues, including cleanup projects, awareness campaigns, and improved waste management practices. And presently, the remediation efforts are still ongoing. Our journey into the data begins with the air pollution. So, to illustrate the concentration of pollutants in the air of Sumgait, a bar graph represents all of the pollutants that are present, including carbon monoxide, dust, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. All of these pollutants have potential respiratory and cardiovascular health risks that have had a great impact on the population residing in Sumgait. Moving deeper into the ground, our next stop is a line graph that indicates the presence of benzoapyrene, benzene, and polychlorinated biphenyls in the soil of Sumgait. Prior to remediation, these levels were quite high, and after a remediation project in 2018, the level decreased significantly. These chemicals present in the soil are carcinogenic and neurogenic toxins, and they have harmful effects including developmental reproductive damage to organisms and can also lead to increased risk of cancers like leukemia and that of lung. Transitioning to the human dimension, health impacts of pollution in Sumgait have been quite significant. This pie chart, based on a study conducted on the relation between air pollution and birth defect, indicated that 1 in 4 birds had birth defects, including central nervous system defect, Down syndrome, anencephaly, and various other developmental defects. Although the study was conducted at the beginning of the century, it speaks volumes about the challenges faced by the community. A comparison between cancer rates is also pivotal. This table juxtaposes the cancer rates in Sumgait against the broader statistics in Azerbaijan, providing insights into the health implications of the petroleum pollution, as could be seen from contents of the contaminants in the soil. The cancer rates are quite telling. It can be seen that Sumgait has significantly higher rates of cancer in larynx, lungs, urinary bladder, and breast as compared to the country of Azerbaijan. Diving into a comprehensive data table, various facets of Sumgait's environment can be explored, including the air quality, water quality, and the biodiversity impact, which has led to the eutrophication of Caspian Sea, and how there have been certain community engagement programs like the Sumgayat Center for Environmental Rehabilitation launched by United Nations Development Program. The World Bank launched a $2.7 million cleanup project, and the Sumgayat Beach Cleanup by Pure Earth Organization and renewable energy resources as well, aim towards creating a sustainable future. Summing up our exploration, we can tell that Sumgayat is still grappled by the critical challenge of petroleum pollution, and there have been major impacts on health, including birth defects and high cancer rates. And concluding with the call to action, there is need for heightened awareness, collaboration, and engagement for creating a healthier Sumgayat. These are the references. Thank you.